Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with another Arteza video, and the good news about this video is it's not only a review, it's also a giveaway. And probably you know what's inside this bag. It's nice storage for some pens. And it's a little bit hard to open, but it's great for traveling, I think. And here you can see it. These are the, I believe, 96 real brush pens. It's a huge amount of brush pens, and you will get them in this great packaging. You can see you can take the middle of it out and you have all your pens stored. That's perfect, especially when you maybe have not a big crafting room and maybe you're working in your living room or in any little corner. It's a super great storage. You can put them in your cupboard bag and then take them out when you need them. Before I used the real brush pens to create a portrait painting, I swatched them into my A4 watercolor journal to see how the pens look in real life on the paper, and I'm stamping the squares with a stamp from the Rubber Dance Swatch It stamp set. And the real brush pens are not the only thing Arteza is sponsoring for you. They also sponsor a set of 3 A5 premium watercolor paper pads, and you will see them later in the video because I enjoy using those as my sketchbooks. And in one of them I will make my portrait painting. And I have also a little giveaway for the winner. I will send the winner one of our Swatch It stamp sets. It's perfect to swatch out any kind of paints, especially watercolors, of course. I'm adding the numbers of the pens to each square so I can find them easily. That is also a great thing about the newer versions of the real brush pens. The older ones didn't have any numbers or things like that, and the newer ones have, and that's really great, I think. And one thing you probably don't know is you can buy each of the pens separately in a pack of 4. So if you run out with one color, you can buy it again, and you don't have to purchase a whole new set. Here are the paper pads you will also get with the giveaway. It's a pack of 3, and I really enjoy using them because they are a super nice size and I like the paper very much. And if you mess up a page, you can just tear it out and you don't have it in your sketchbook. And that's something I'm sometimes afraid of when I do something in my art journal which is bound, that I mess up the page and then the whole journal has this ugly page inside, and this will not happen here. I've started to sketch my face with a watercolor pencil. This is a super easy way to sketch out any kind of painting because you can't see the lines after you have worked over it with watercolors or the real brush pens. I've already prepared the brush pens I want to use in my painting today and pulled them out, and I start by wetting the face of the girl before I go in with the real brush pens. This is a technique I really like because the pens blend very beautiful when you have a wet background. Sometimes it happens that they soak up very much water when the surface is very wet, and then they paint very light, but that doesn't matter. You can just scribble them onto another page and the color will be back again immediately. I have speeded up the video a little bit because a real-time drawing would have become much too long. For the giveaway, I have to mention that there are some rules on how to join the giveaway, and there is also a restriction regarding the country you're living in, because Arteza is not able to ship everywhere in the world. There will be a list in my description box of the countries, and there is also a link in my description box to the Arteza YouTube channel and to a special video from them. And there you have to leave a comment where you tell what you will do with the real brush pens if you win them. And of course you have to follow their YouTube channel. You also have to leave a comment on my video here, because I will pick the winner and I will do this from my comments. You don't have to follow my channel for this. Yeah, I think that was everything, but I will write everything clearly in the description box. After the real brush pens have dried completely, I go in with the colored pencils from Arteza to add some highlights and of course also details. These are one of my favorite colored pencils I have. My painting is almost finished for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a comment here to join the giveaway, and you will find all the information about how to join the giveaway in the description box. Thank you so much for watching today. Bye!